Some of you will say it will wet the litter. No problem, I will change the litter after tomorrow or this evening. If I'm chanced, I can change it now. I don't mind changing my dust every day as long as my birds are strong and healthy. I don't mind. So by the time you do this, it will make the ground to be wet. No problem. Change it and get another dust or fire. Heat is the major challenge that can cause mortality in broiler business, especially now that we are in dry season. I'll be teaching you how to practically and naturally manage this situation. The weather is very hot and it is not okay for the birds. So, but I will show you how to manage heat situation in your bed. Practical ways to handle heat situation. This is a bowl of cold water. Number one is try to change their water. Don't allow their water to be hot. When the weather becomes hot, change the water once the water becomes hot. Make sure that the water they are drinking is cool. Then secondly, I will show you another tricks by soaking them in water. Cold water will help you calm their temperature, especially as you can see, many of them is they will be opening their mouth to show that the weather is not okay with them. As you can see, this one is opening his mouth. As you can see, watch, this is a sign of overheat. Watch how I will manage it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and drop your comment. Watch. Soaking it into cold water will automatically calm the heat within minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share so that others can see it and save their birds. Help your neighbor, help others save their birds by sharing this video to them. Have you ever imagined how healthy birds start collapsing all of a sudden? Birds that are healthy in the morning, within 2-3 hours of a heavy sun, start collapsing, lose strength, or can have stroke. These are the side effects of overheat. It can cause stroke. It can also cause high rate of mortality. You need to manage this. Some of you will say it will wet the litter. No problem, I will change the litter after tomorrow or this evening. If I'm chanced, I can change it now. I don't mind changing my dust every day as long as my birds are strong and healthy. I don't mind. So by the time you do this, it will make the ground to be wet. No problem. Change it and get another dust or fire. I will bring one of those ones I soaked and show you, or maybe when I'm done, I will take you around for you to observe if they are still having overheat. Except those that I have not dipped into the water, they will gradually close their mouth. You do this to all of them. Each and every one of them should be soaked into this water. Please subscribe, share, like, drop your comment. Don't forget to ask your questions. Thank you. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment.